Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have two installs for the Subaru STI, and you can see we have the Subi sitting right here, parked and everything. Yeah, this is gross as fuck. This is dirty. I have not washed in like a week or two, so we are gonna give it a nice wash after the two installs we're doing. And for the installs, I did have one part ready. I just took it off because there was something that was just bugging me about it that I really wanted to fix, but I really never got to fixing it, so it just sat in my room. And yeah, I just got the second part like 2 days ago, and these parts go hand on hand, so we're just gonna throw these on, see how it looks, take the car to a wash, and just take some fucking pictures after, see how it looks. Pretty sure you guys are gonna like it, but yeah, the STI does need a wash. It really does. So yeah guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, this is it. This is the part I did have before that was in my room. I did take it off like a few weeks ago because this is the part that was bothering me right here. It was the clear coat, it started fading. Yeah, the camera picks it up, so it started fading. I took it off because I really want to fix that part. It was really bugging me a lot. But as I said before, I did not fix it anymore. I got lazy, lost motivation to fix this. So now that the second part just came in, I'm gonna just throw it back on. Take that off, put this back there, put that back on, and see how the rear end looks, especially with these new tail lights, because I did have it on with the stock tail lights. So yeah, we'll see how it looks with these, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good, because if it looked good with the stock tail lights, it's gonna look good with these, since it has some black and then white, red, you know, it's gonna flow well. So yeah, let's put this back on and check it out. Alright guys, it's super simple. Just take off those two screws right there, take off the license plate, put this right here, put the license plate back on, and just screw the screws back on. And it's that simple. Alright guys, so I am also going to clean this backing part right here, because this is dirty as fuck. Yeah, I'm going to clean that up and mount that on, and show you guys the second part that I have for it as well. Alright guys, now that the back is all cleaned up, it's time to get the second part I received like 2 days ago and put it on. But before, I did clean it with this glass cleaner, because I did have nothing else in my car to clean that with, so I just sprayed it on, cleaned it, and yeah, that's all I cleaned it with this as well. Alright guys, let's go show you guys the second part I did get for the STI, the one that arrived 2 days ago, and it's right here. We did get a new license plate, a custom license plate. I'll show you guys which one I got right now. You guys probably already saw. Alright guys, so the license plate right here. Pull it out, show you guys. And these are the ones I got. Custom license plates. It does come with two. One for the front, one for the back. Yeah, it will essentially go like this. Damn. It pretty much look like that. Yeah, we just put the screws on right here. Just put it back on the car and ditch those. These look way better. I like how it looks with the black and the yellow. I like carbon fiber, and it's gonna look good with the tail lights as well. So let's put these on. Alright, that should be there. Fix it, adjust it. Get the second screw. pictures right there. Yeah, that is not coming off. For sure it's not coming off. Yeah guys, what do you guys think? I think this shit looks good. I like it. Except this little like piece right here. I don't know if the camera catches it. But yeah. Alright guys, and that's it. You got the carbon fiber WRX STI. You have this one right here, so let's grab this one and put it in the front. Yoink. I like rocking no front license plate. Makes the front end look way better. I actually really like it. I like the carbon, the black WRX STI. Goes very good with the black tail lights. You have the black gurney flap right here. What do you guys think? Do you guys feel it? Do you guys feel the back end right here? I dig it a lot, honestly. It's just coming all together. I think with the rear diffuser, like, I think it'll look good. It'll like bring the whole back end together. Just make it more aggressive. And I also have to change this as well. I still have to order that part as well. But yeah, that's just coming off soon. So it can match with the tail lights. And for sure, remove that decal as well. Change the color. I was probably thinking like the black and white. Because you know, black carbon, black and white. You have the gurney flap, black and white. Yeah, it's gonna flow together. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys dig it or nah?
About fucking glasses?
Oh, what's up guys? As you can see from the last clip, I was running out of daylight when I was putting my sticker on the plate. So I did move the car wash for today. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna just do some errands and I'll see you guys at the car wash. Man, that shit ate one of my quarters, bro. Alright guys, we just finished washing the STI. We vacuumed it and we dried it already. So now we're just gonna head home. I'm gonna do a little walk around of the STI. I'm gonna show you guys like the new license plate. Not that the car's like really clean. Just want to know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it? Don't you guys like it? Do you guys like the new carbon fiber plate or like the backing plate? Also want to know if you guys like know what brands to use for the Alcantara seats. I really want to clean the seats, but I'm not sure what brands or like what chemicals or what type of brush to use. I've just been using like the little cloth and water. I kind of want to get like something else that like digs in deeper to like remove like the darker smudges. But yeah, just let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, the car's all clean. Looks so much better. Fat ass Tommy right there. But yeah, you have the Rayas STI. You have the carbon fiber plate. I couldn't put another S because it didn't fit on the plate. Only let me put 7 letters. Yeah, it was supposed to be Rayas and then another S for STI. I just like joined the S for both, so it'll be like Rayas and then TI. What do you guys think? Like, do you guys fuck with the rear end? Gurney flap told me now that I have the license plate and the carbon fiber backing plate and the tail lights. And I did say earlier, like yesterday, I do want to change these to like a black and white, and also change these to match with the fucking tail lights. But I'll say that'll be soon. That'll be soon. Trust. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys fuck with the rear end? Yeah, guys. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see more for the STI down in the comments. Any suggestions for the Alcantara cleaner? And yeah, guys, have a good one. Stay blessed.